Menteri Rangba Kejelau Conrad Kongkal Sangma hakah nyok trek urampang arhajar arpuar. Ulong ba kamlong kebayha ban penedai kejingja kam Lute bat kejinglong jengman jong syong suk syong san ha kejela berokobai. Habai keren beginong patai kubor Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong ba kejingja kija bat omla ban ong ba omla ban don kum gini kejingja. Nrai kamlong kebayha pat ban penedai gini kejingja bat ka syong suk syong san ha kejela. Ulong bak sarkar kailek bantem bat ban penduna ki kam sniu tangba om dai pat ban peniadai yaki bat kejing syakta ka syong suk syong san. Ulong ru bagi Pulit kinlong ki bapet ngor bah bat ban Pynkhlain yaki kam Syntiat ban Iohkem ki breu ke Donkti haki kam Lute.
There are robbery incidents that take place in different parts of the state. There are other incidents that take place all over. So, this tendency to link an incident with the law and order situation in the state is unfair. And one has to realize that, yes, everything should be done to ensure that no incident takes place. But that's the nature of things, and crimes do happen, and government always works towards ensuring that they're minimized. But one cannot avoid certain crimes taking place. So they are happening, and it should not happen. And we will do our best to try and ensure that none of it happens. But as I said, that in any society, for the matter of fact, anywhere, any other state also, any country also, crimes do take place, and that's the reason why there is a system, and enforcement is there. So therefore, yes, we will do whatever we can. But I just feel that connecting this to general aspect that there is a law and order situation would be completely unfair.
So is this linked to militancy?
Well, right now it's a robbery, so we are investigating what's the side of it. But as I said, this kind of robberies should not happen. But yes, they sometimes do happen.
They were carrying AK-47 rifles. Is it so easy to get AK rifles?
No, it's not at all easy to get. So therefore, as I said, the investigation is on. So once I get the reports, we will give back details of the investigation results.
Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulapan menaru bag sarkar kan penlut syajar sau folklor tengka na kebenta ban pentrei yaki live southly ki project lengba ka Shillong Smart City. Uliatho bulalum ya kejingelang banekran halor kejing pentrei ki kam bapher ki bahab apo ke project Smart City. Bad haduk mentai kladon arp santli ki project berangya cakmat haga jinglut ke bakot san spa klor tengka. Ulong basyan on sabatha ikitnat trekam bapher ban sedang no kumba khatsan hadu arpotli project jong ka Shillong Smart City haga jinglut kumba arspa san folklor tengka.
Yeah, so basically my purpose was to see the current status of the work that's going on, and I'm happy to see the progress. Over 500 crores of work is in progress as we speak. About close to 25 projects are in progress, are being implemented. Another 15 to 20 more projects will be taken up, and amounting to about 250 plus crores will be taken up in the next few days. So the project works is going on as planned, and I'm happy to see the works. And I think within this financial year, next financial year, we should be seeing some of the projects being completed, and we should be able to inaugurate some of them.
Ha kabayday bagajing sapriang ki kubor bag MLA keseng Kongres i Dr. Amperin Lengdo bain penesono bag keseng NPP. Nakaliang Menteri Rangba Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagi don ki jingekren bad i Dr. Amperin Lengdo bad ide ibatrang na kebenta ban kentiu yaki kampenroy ha gejela bad uli iru bu MDC kala inkra ule penpau bu kwa ban penesono bag keseng NPP. Hendrai ki jingekren ke empat yat bahasa kemat bad ansaai ke jingtip ke bapaka kam hadin.
Obviously, Kong Amperin and we all have been always talking, and she has been somebody who's been very keen and interested in the overall state development of the state. And yes, we have seen that the MDC from there, has expressed his willingness to join. But further discussions are not yet taken place, so we will see when the time comes, and then I'll be able to inform you when the time is right.